Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video is we are going to talk about on how to use the UKJ Pro mobile app. So we cannot really access the tool dashboard since we need our company details in order for us to access the app or to sign up for an account. So still, I'm going to discuss to you the different features of the applications if you are planning to use it. Okay, so here, as you can see, you can balance your life and your work. So you can stay on top of your schedule, you can punch in or ask for some well deserved time off all in one place. So, next one, as you can see, we have the clock in and out with ease. So, it means that the app's time and attendance module it will let the employee records when they start and stop working. So they can view recent punches and check their timesheet. So the whole idea is to replace a physical time clock or a desktop punch with a quick mobile tap. So what you usually see on the screen, a big clock in and clock out button. So your current shifts or schedule start end times, recent punches, timestamp, total hours of the day, and maybe a small note of failed to record job codes or work locations. So managers often get a separate view with time cards to approve or exceptions flagged. Okay, so to use that, you just have to open the app and then tap the time or clocked from the dashboard. And then if you're off the clock, just simply click on clocked in. And then when you're finished or take an unpaid break, so you just have to click on the clocked out. And then in order for you to review your hours, look at the timesheet or history section so you can often edit or add notes to an entry. Okay, so next one is we have the grab open shifts and then swap when you need to. So this is the shift management and shift marketplace feature. So employees can claim available or open shifts posted by the managers. So request to swap shifts with coworkers or offer their own shift app for pickup. And then a calendar or list of scheduled shifts, a section called open shifts or available, and controls like request swap, offer shifts, pick up, or send a swap requests. You'll often see who posted the open shift, the date, time, pay rate, and any shift requirements. So certifications and rule. So how to use it? You just have to go to the schedule or shifts, and then I just have to tap on the open shifts to view available options, and then tap a shift you're qualified for and select the pick up or claim. And then to confirm, you'll usually get a notification and a schedule updates. Okay, so for example, we have here a manager approval may be required, so you can wait for the confirmation or check notification. Okay, so next we have the take time off for important moments. So this screen covers the time off requests, vacation, sick leave, personal, and then balances and the approval workflow. It centralizes your PTO so you can plan and request leaves from the phone. So, what you usually see on the screen, it's a calendar view showing approved time off, a request time off button, your PTO balance, vacation, sick personal, and a history of requests with statuses like pending, approved, and denied. So to use that one, you just have to go and tap the time off or request, and then tap the request time off. You just have to select the date and type of leave, and then optionally you can add a note or attachment. All right, and then you can submit the request. It routes to your manager or HR for approval, and you'll get notified when the request is approved or rejected. And then the things that you need to know about accruals and policies. So PTO is often governed by accrual rules. So some days may be unpaid or require minimum notice. So the company policy might inform blackout dates or limit how much PTO can be taken at once. Right. And the next one is here, message anyone on your team privately and securely. So this is the app's internal messaging. So private one by one or group chats inside the organization. It reduces reliance on third-party messaging apps and keeps the communication under company security policy. So, what you usually see on the screen: a list of conversations, recent, a new message button, contact search, directory, message threads, and options to attach the images, files, or shift references. So, to use that one, you just have to simply click on the messages or chat on your dashboard, tap new messages, search for a coworker or group, and type your message. Attach the files if needed and send, and then you will get read indicators or replies like any chat app. And then for the security and privacy, we have messages are typically stored inside the company system and are subject to company retention and monitoring policies. That keeps data secure but means messages can be audited per policy. Okay, so I have here some tips and best practice. So you can keep work chat professional, use direct message for private items and groups for team-wide info. So you can use message search to find past conversations. Next is we have keep people connected with what's happening in your company. So this is the company news and announcements area, a feed for corporate updates, policy changes, events, and pinned posts from HR or leadership. So what you usually see on the screen: a news feed or announcement board, push notifications for important posts, event invites, and possibly comment like features if enabled. So to use that one, you just have to simply tap the news or announcement, scroll or filter by category, and then tap a post or to read details like RSVP to events or see attachments. And then, of course, we have the set and track your professional goals. So, this screen covers performance management, setting the objective, tracking progress, linking goals to performance reviews, and keeping the documentation of completed achievement. And then lastly, we have see your hard work pay off. So this is the pay and compensation screen, view pay slips, tax forms, direct deposit info, year to date totals, and often benefits deductions. So recent pay stubs with gross pay, taxes, deduction, net pay, downloadable PDF, and a pay history section. Okay, so to get the full details of the application, just have to open your Play Store or App Store and then search for this one, and then you just have to download it. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.